Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add gradient color background to your video or your photo in CapCut PC. So I'm going to select my photo. So it is logo, and I'm going to add the gradient color. So simple. You can select basic and scroll down until you find the canvas option. So just select the style option. Alright, select style and then scroll down. I'm looking for gradient color here, or looking for gradient, another gradient. So here's like this one you like. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.